Mandrill. The mandrill, Mandrill sphinx, is a primate species that is native to the rainforests of Central and Western Africa. It is the largest species of monkey and is easily recognized by its colorful face and rear end. Mandrills are omnivores, feeding on a variety of fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, and small animals. They live in large social groups that are led by a dominant male or alpha male. Mandrills are known for their unique social behaviors, such as grooming and playing, as well as their loud vocalizations, which they use to communicate with one another. Mandrills are currently classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss and hunting for their meat and body parts. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the species, including the establishment of protected areas and captive breeding programs. Here are some interesting facts about the life of mandrills. Number 1. Mandrills are the largest species of monkey, with males weighing up to 120 pounds and females weighing up to 50 pounds. Number 2. They have a distinctive appearance, with brightly colored faces and rear ends. The colors of their face can range from blue to red to yellow, and the color of their rear end can range from bright blue to purple. Number 3. Mandrills are primarily terrestrial and spend most of their time on the ground, although they can climb trees if needed. Number 4. They are omnivores and have a varied diet, feeding on fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, and small animals. Number 5. Mandrills live in large social groups, known as troops, that can number up to several hundred individuals. The groups are led by a dominant male, known as an alpha male. Number 6. Mandrills have a complex social structure and use a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions to communicate with one another. Number 7. Females give birth to a single offspring after a gestation period of approximately 6 months. Number 8. Mandrills are threatened by habitat loss and hunting for their meat and body parts. They are currently classified as vulnerable by the IUCN. Number 9. Mandrills have a lifespan of up to 40 years in the wild and up to 50 years in captivity. Number 10. Mandrills are considered a keystone species in their habitat as they help to disperse seeds and maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Mandrills face a number of biological challenges in their environment, including Number 1. Predators. Mandrills are preyed upon by a number of predators, including leopards, pythons, and eagles. Number 2. Habitat loss. Due to deforestation and human encroachment, mandrills are losing their natural habitat. This can lead to reduced food availability, increased competition for resources, and increased exposure to predators. Number 3. Disease. Mandrills are susceptible to a number of diseases, including tuberculosis, malaria, and Ebola virus. In particular, Ebola virus has had a devastating impact on wild mandrill populations, causing widespread mortality. Number 4. Reproductive challenges. Female mandrills have a long gestation period and give birth to only one offspring at a time. This can make it difficult for populations to recover from declines in numbers. Number 5. Genetic diversity. As mandrill populations become increasingly isolated from one another, they may experience reduced genetic diversity. This can make them more susceptible to disease and less able to adapt to changing environmental conditions. Number 6. Climate change. Climate change can impact the availability of food and water for mandrills, as well as increase the risk of disease transmission. Additionally, extreme weather events such as floods and droughts can have a direct impact on mandrill populations.